Automotive Group comes your eyewitness weather forecast.
Good evening, everyone. So as expected, the clouds were pretty stubborn today, but we're starting to see the sky clear out. The wind is also going to shift, so that's going to help scour out these low clouds as well. That wind is more southwesterly through the day tomorrow. So that will mean temperatures will also start to warm up as well. So out there now, it's cooling off 39 with still quite a few clouds in the west, wind at 6. So we're slowly starting to see that wind start to back into the southwest here. The barometer at 30.41, which is a pretty good number. High pressure coming in. So that will mean some good weather here as we go into midweek. Brighter tomorrow and warmer for Thursday and Friday. But the trade-off being we've got some wet weather that will be developing Friday afternoon into the evening. And it looks like it's going to linger into Saturday morning as well. Check out the temperatures, though. So tomorrow in the upper, we'll say low and mid 50s, and then upper 50s as we get into Thursday to near 60 on Friday. That is in advance of a cold front, which by the time we get to the weekend will come through, and well, that means it's going to turn colder. We just can't seem to time it out where we get the sunshine and warmth here for the weekend. In terms of the rainfall, not going to rain tomorrow, not going to rain Thursday, but by the time we get to Friday afternoon, we ramp up the chances to over 60%. Actually been able to reduce the rain chance for Saturday as it does look like the system will be moving on out. But it's still going to be quite a few clouds, much colder as we go into Saturday. And then we're talking about some lake effect snow showers and snow flurries on Sunday. So 9 more days to go till we get to Turkey Day. And as you can see, we count down the rest of the days here, heading towards New Year's in just 48 more days. Numbers now are hanging in the 30s, upper 30s. Marcy up to Rome, Little Falls as well at 38. It's 36 in Hartwick, 37 right now in Cooperstown and Milford, 35 in Oneonta. And then up north, numbers are falling into the low 30s as the sky will slowly start to clear out here through the overnight. And then we look ahead to the day tomorrow and into Thursday, high pressure off to the south of us. This high will shift to the east, so the cooler air retreats and some warmer weather coming in as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You just saw those temperatures. But for the time being, still this persistent northwesterly flow, but we look to the west. There's a warm front out here. Once that warm front goes through, we'll see the winds shift into the south and west. The sky will clear out. We're already seeing that process here as we go through the evening and into the overnight. So by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, it's frosty, cold, partly sunny. And then I think through the course of the day, it will turn mostly sunny. Temperatures will get into the low and mid 50s for highs. Thursday looks great. A lot of sunshine. Temperatures up near 60 before more clouds and wet weather approach on Friday. So tonight, still mostly cloudy, but we'll start to see the sky gradually clear out. Turns cold, frosty, down into the mid-20s, and then through the day tomorrow, more and more sunshine developing through the day, milder, highs in the low and mid-50s. 7-day forecast up near 60, beautiful weather Thursday. Breezy, warm Friday, but clouds increase, and then wet weather developing into the afternoon and evening. Could be steady rain Friday night. Tapers off as some wet snow Saturday morning, but I think most of Saturday will be dry. It will be breezy and much colder, though. Highs in the low 40s, lake effect snow showers and snow flurries Sunday, chilly into Monday, and then clouds increase Tuesday in advance of the next storm system, which could be a little problematic for the big travel day on Wednesday. We'll see.
Yeah, people are already predicting this to be a busy travel year, so hopefully not too many plans for folks around here are going to get interrupted, but
we'll see. We still have some time, but there is definitely going to be something going on Wednesday.
All right, Greg, thank you. When we come back, the way students...
Your eyewitness weather forecast.
All right, we continue to watch the clouds slowly clear out here as we go through the overnight. So I think temperatures by tomorrow morning will drop to some pretty chilly levels, probably down in the mid-20s, similar to what we had the other night. So you wake up tomorrow morning, don't be surprised if there's a pretty thick layer of frost out there. with temperatures already starting to drop. 33, winds are calm, which is another key to the forecast. Calm wind and a clear sky. We just allow the sun's energy that got to the planet to just radiate into space as the sky clears out. So here's what to expect. It will be brighter through the day on Wednesday. Might start out with a few more clouds in the morning. Then during the afternoon, I think the sky will turn partly to mostly sunny. Warmer weather. Tomorrow it's mild, but then we get into some warm air Thursday and Friday. But the trade-off being is we're going to have some rain developing Friday afternoon, Friday evening, and that's probably going to linger into Saturday morning. So here's the temperatures down the road, and yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So we're in the low and mid 50s tomorrow, upper 50s to near 60 Thursday and Friday before the trap door opens and then temperatures drop by the weekend. So some changes on the way. And in terms of rain, not going to rain tomorrow, not going to rain Thursday. We get into Friday, though. That's the best chance of some wet weather in the afternoon and into the evening. So that spills into Saturday morning. Might end as a little wet snow Saturday morning, but I've actually been able to reduce the chance of rain or the probability of rain Saturday. Quite a few clouds. It will be turning colder. And then Sunday, it's probably in the form of lake effect snow showers and flurries, but it shouldn't accumulate. So as we count the days down to Thanksgiving, just 9 more to go. And the holidays, yeah, they're here. There's Hanukkah and Christmas and New Year's as well. All right, temperatures now settling back into the 30s. Downtown Utica up to Griffiths and Rome. It's 32 in Paris. Down to the south, 30 in Edmiston. Over to 36 in Cooperstown, 37 Canajoharie. And up north, numbers here dropping into the low 30s at Old Forge. So you have to look pretty hard here, but we still have some of these clouds kind of hanging out. But with time, we're going to start to get into some clearing through the overnight. And then we look ahead to Wednesday and Thursday, so high pressure camping out to the south. That high will start to shift east, and we'll get more of a return flow on the backside of it. So that's why I think temperatures will warm up as we get into Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow's not bad. Upper 40s to low and mid 50s with a mixture of clouds and sunshine, becoming mostly sunny in the afternoon. And even Stephen 50 in Cooperstown. Oneonta's at 52. And then up north tomorrow, a mix of clouds and sun. Temperatures in the mid-upper 40s to the low 50s in Little Falls and Herkimer. So back here tonight, gradual clearing sky, turning cold. Low temperatures by morning in the mid-20s. Through the day tomorrow, frosty early, more sunshine developing for the afternoon as high temperatures get into the low and mid-50s. And then a nice day Thursday, lots of sunshine up near 60. Friday too, but again, the wet weather picks up Friday afternoon, Friday evening. Lingers into Saturday morning before tapering, turning much colder. Lake effect snow showers and snow flurries Sunday, chilly Monday, and then clouds increase in advance of the next storm system, which could be a little problematic for the big travel day on Wednesday. Could be rain or snow or both. We'll see.
All right, Craig, thank you. We'll check in now with Sports Director Brennan Miller. Brennan.
Jamie. Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
What's going on? Central New York, so we watched the sky clear out tonight and a calm wind with a clear sky. That means it's going to get pretty nippy, and I think out the door tomorrow morning it's probably going to be a pretty good layer of frost as temperatures drop into the 20s. And, well, we're already on our way down tonight, so we're at 31 at the top of the hour with that calm wind and a clearing sky. And it's taken most of the day to get rid of the clouds, so it will be brighter. So there's that for Wednesday. It's also going to be warmer as we go into Thursday and Friday. I think temperatures are going to be up near 60 as we go into Thursday and Friday. But the trade-off Friday is we're going to have some wet weather building in the afternoon and probably lingering into Saturday. Unfortunately, we just can't time this, right? We've got the sunshine, the warmth midweek. If we could just get it over the weekend, it's just not going to be the case. So temperatures down the road here. So 54 on Wednesday, up near 60 Thursday and Friday before we drop into the 40s through the trap door into the weekend. In terms of rain chances, should not rain tomorrow, should not rain Thursday. Then we see the chances increase by Friday. We've actually been able to reduce the chance of rain on Saturday. I think it's mostly confined in the morning. Might be a little bit of rain or wet snow left over. Then we get into Sunday. It's colder, and there's probably going to be some lake effect snow showers and snow flurries around, but I doubt it adds up to much. As we count down the days to Thanksgiving, only 9 more to go. And, well, here we are in the holiday season. Ready or not, here it comes. So numbers tonight falling into the 30s out there in Marcy, down to Utica, it's 33, 30 on the nose in Paris, mid-30s in Ilion. We shift the view to the south into Otsego County, 30 Richfield Springs, 31 in Hartwick, 32 right now Milford, and up across the Adirondacks here, numbers falling into the low 30s. And we do have some clearing off to the west. That's what's building in tonight. We've had those thicker clouds through the course of the day. Those are in the process of lifting through. There's actually a warm front tucked in here. So once that warm front goes by, we start to get in more of that southerly wind as high pressure shifts to the east. So we will ride the backside of this thing, and that means some milder air coming back into town here as we get into Thursday and Friday. So we're in the upper 40s to the low and mid 50s here in Oneida County. On your Wednesday, near 50, Cooperstown to Edmiston, up to Richfield Springs with a mixture of sunshine and clouds. And then up north, I think it's mid-upper 40s to the low, perhaps mid-50s at Herkimer with a mix of clouds and sun. All right, so tonight, gradually clearing sky, cold and frosty by tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, a little milder with more sunshine developing, high temperatures into the low and mid-50s. Down the road, 7-day forecast. So up near 60 Thursday, Friday, beautiful weather Thursday. Friday's breezy and warm, but turning wet into the afternoon. Few rain or wet snow showers linger into Saturday and then taper. Colder as we go into the weekend. Scattered lake effect snow showers and flurries Sunday. Chilly air Monday, and then the clouds increase again Tuesday in advance of another storm system. Jamie, could be a little problematic, a little messy for the big travel day on Wednesday. Still plenty of time. We'll kind of keep an eye on it. That's 8 days away, and I'd have to charge you more for an 8-day forecast.
That's okay. We can focus on the good stuff. The next couple of days, it's going to be nice out.
Yeah, beautiful weather tomorrow and Thursday.
Yeah. Craig, thank you. Next, after this break, the design